In this video, we will demonstrate how to properly clean the back of a print plate in preparation of mounting to achieve optimum adhesion results. First, spray fresh isopropyl alcohol to a clean lint-free cloth. Clean the entire back of the plate. Even if the plate is new or appears to be clean, always clean the back of the plate prior to mounting. Repeat this procedure until there is no more observable residue. Finish the cleaning procedure by wiping dry with a clean lint-free cloth. The plate is ready to be mounted to a print cylinder or sleeve.